How to fix Instagram not sharing location. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram location not working or not sharing properly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with step 1, that is to check location permissions. So here, make sure Instagram have access to your phone location. So here to check that, simply long press on the Instagram app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on App Info. And now here, once you are inside the app settings, simply scroll down and tap on App Permissions. And now here, simply check that if the location is set to allow all the time or allow while using the app or not. If it is, then you are good to go. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to turn on the location services. So here, check if your phone location services is turned on. So here, to do that, simply open the settings, and now here, once you are inside the settings, simply search for the location and simply turn it on, or here you can simply roll back or scroll down from the top, and here you can simply turn on the location. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to update the Instagram app. So sometimes issue happens if your Instagram app is outdated. So here, to fix that, simply open the Play Store app, and now here, once you're inside, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for Instagram. And here, check if the Instagram has updated to the latest version or not. If there is, simply update it and it will fix the issue. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear cache. So here, if you are on Android phone, then you can simply long press on the app section or app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on App Info. And now here, once you are inside the app settings, simply tap on the clear data option. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on clear cache and confirm it. And here, once you do that, it will often fix the temporary glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to re-add the location in the Instagram. So here, let's say that if you are posting a certain post on your Instagram feed, then here, once you are inside this section, let's say if you want to add the location right here, then you can simply tap on add location and add the location right from here. And that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram not sharing location or location not working in just a few steps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.